you coming up in the streets of Atlanta and you trying to get your money right, everybody ain't gonna agree with your vision. I always believed in God. My mama used to take me to church as a kid, but without the proper guidance and the male role model, I chose the street.
First you get that money, then you get that power. If he tune in, knows up, but he on that powder. Now you walk around with 50 in your trousers. Diamonds bullying on my chest, no fucking blouse. Bitch, I make it rain shower.